Good morning everybody. Doing this video today to just go over the charting platform that I use. Now the platform is called Coinigy. I believe it's the best cryptocurrency technical analysis platform that you can use. A lot of people like to use TradingView, but I prefer Coinigy because of all the different features it offers, which I'll go through in this video today. First things first is I'll go over the pricing so you guys know how much it is. Now Coinigy is free for the first 30 days, and then once your free month is ended, it is $15 a month, which I believe is super cheap for what you're getting. You see a few of the features here listed, and I'll go through a few of them now with you. Now, the best thing about Coinigy is the fact that all the different cryptocurrency markets are all on this platform. So along the left hand side, this column here on the markets, you can see all the different markets. When you keep your mouse over it, it does show you the full thing because it only has an acronym. But as you can see guys, they have literally every single cryptocurrency market here. Now when you select the market, it then shows all the different cryptocurrencies under that market. If you click the filter box, you can then search for a cryptocurrency by the acronym. So say for example I wanted to search for Ethereum, I would type in ETH, that's the acronym for Ethereum. Simply select it and it pulls up the chart straight away. Now I can do that for all the different markets. Now I'm going to use the Bittrex market to just go back to a familiar chart so I can also show you the tools. Now on the left hand side of the chart here, you can see all the different tools that you can use. Now on this box here, you can select different tools to draw and do some annotations on your chart. Now the most used one is a trend line. So if you wanted to draw out your trend line, you just click that, it draws out your trend line. It's got loads of different ones here. On the one below it, it has a range of different, I wouldn't call them indicators, but call them forecasting tools. So tools that show you where the market is going to go. So you have pitchforks, which you can use to show the range of a market, where it's about to go. No, that wasn't a very good example. I don't use pitchforks a lot, as you can tell. You also have Fibonacci retracement. This is a very commonly used tool by traders. Now this shows you, gives you a rough idea of where the market is going to bounce to when it's done a drop, or where it's going to rise up to if you wanted to target. So Fibonacci retracement, very good tool. Also has another annotating tools, more annotating tools here. You can draw rectangles, brushes, etc. You can also use text, patterns, and there's loads, as I show here. Measure shift as well, so you can also measure the percentage move in the market just like that. So no need to whip out your calculator and start typing in numbers and doing maths. You can literally just do it here and find out the percentage shift in a click of a button. Another feature of Coinigy, which is very useful, is you can set alerts. Now how to set an alert is you just go to this blue button here, you select it, and you just drag and place your alert where you would want to place it. Now, say if you want to be alerted when the market rises up to here. I am in LBC, by the way, if you guys are wondering. It's hit a nice support level here. So I will set this alert anyway. I've set one at 2100, but I'll set another one. So to set an alert, you just drag it to where you'd want to set it, and you just press confirm alert. Now if you wanted it to be a bit more precise, or you wanted to type in the price level that you'd want the alert to be at, you just toggle the pane, and then it brings up the alert box here where you can just type in the price yourself, and you can set the alert that way. Now whilst we're on this box, I'll also show you the other tabs on this box. Now you have the tab called data. Now what this shows you is it shows you the order book for the coin that you're on. Now it shows you the bids and it shows you the asks. Also shows you the price trend, and it shows you the recent orders that have been made in the market. In this tab, what you can have here, now this tab, you can actually trade on this platform as well. Now I don't trade personally, I haven't added my account on it, because I prefer to trade through the exchange. However, if you wanted, you could actually add your API onto Coinigy, and you can actually trade through the platform directly. So on this trade box here, if you did add your account, you can buy, you can sell, and set your stop limits through this interface here. Already gone through alerts. Now the economy tab just shows you the quick overview of the market cap of the coin that you're looking at and the available supply. And then it also has a tab here for notes, which you can add notes onto the coin. So if, say for instance, you noticed, I don't know, it broke its trend or it had a funny behavior, you can just add that note on there so you can see it next time you visit that coin. Another great feature that Coinigy has is it has a section up here with apps. Now the different apps in here, I won't go over all of them, but I'll go over the ones that I find are really useful and really clever ideas. Now there's one called Arb Matrix. Now what Arb Matrix shows, I'll jump onto it now, is it shows arbitrage opportunities between exchanges. Now what arbitrage is it shows the difference between the price of Bitcoin or different coins between exchanges. Now what you could do is you could find exchanges where they're selling Bitcoin for cheap, buy it off one exchange and quickly sell it over for a really quick profit. Now using this app, you can find these exchanges literally straight away, find out what exchanges are cheap and make money that way, which is great if you're working with a lot of money. I mean, if you're not working with a lot of money, it might not be worth it, but say if you're working with a couple hundred grand, millions, this is a really great way to make some really quick and easy Bitcoin. Now another app that I find very useful is Newswire. Now they've got a news app on Coinigy which actually gives you live notifications of important news over Bitcoin. In fact, even this morning they've had one, so mainstream investors, so investors can't be ignoring them cryptocurrencies. That's in relation to the boom cryptocurrency's been having. It's just been going wild. People who aren't in cryptocurrencies, I don't know what to say to them. You're missing out completely. So articles are coming out explaining that. Top 10 cryptocurrencies, etc. So they come out of regular articles. Even just this morning they've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think they've had a bit more. So regular articles are really useful to the market directly on your platform, so you don't have to keep searching around. This comes popping up. Also has, this is one of the biggest, the last one I'll show you because I haven't really used a lot of the others, is SMS alerts. Now this is a absolute lifesaver. Now what you can do is, alongside the alerts, now if you use the alerts without activating SMS alerts, the alerts just get sent to your email, which is still fine. If you're actively using your email and you always checking it, that's fine, you'll see your alerts. However, if you're like me and you don't really check your email too often, this is a lifesaver. Now I've already added my number. To get 100 messages, I believe it's $5. Click here, double check. Yep, $5 for 100 messages, and yeah, that gives you 100 alerts just for $5. So pretty cheap and a very useful function there. So yeah, that's it guys. It's a quick overview of Coinigy. It's a great platform to use. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.